Listen, Doughty, your words are fine. Well, your words are better than the, I mean, all right, so he's the, yeah, but I mean, Jesus, Doughty. You've been playing these kind of roles for... Well, Jesus, Doughty, you know how long you've been playing these kind of roles. No, but I mean, we're all of us thinking, my God, we open tomorrow night. We've only had a fortnight to rehearse. No one knows where we are, but my God, here we are. No, but I mean, we had to play Western Superman all the rest of this week, and then Yeovil, and then God knows where, and then God knows where else, and we're all of us feeling pretty much... Aren't you? Isn't that right? Listen, Lloyd, can I say something? Since we've stopped. I've worked with a lot of directors, Lloyd. Some of them were geniuses. Some of them were bastards. But I never met one who was so totally and absolutely... I don't know. Sorry, Lloyd, sometimes you just have to come right out with these things. You know?